All right, this is the start of day 2. We got one more little section ripped out of here. I think that is going to be what we're starting to see in the middle there. So I'm hoping we will get all of this ripped out today. So this is day 2.
This is day 3. We're getting kind of a late start. We decided to just try to cut all the way through all of the floorings. So we did one section. It seemed to work pretty well. Doug is going to take out this section. That is actually easier than the way we were doing it the other day. Heavier, but it's actually all coming out at once. And that's our 6 layers of flooring. You can see each layer down to the insulation.
And the termites.
And the termites.
Well, we got the whole floor out, so day 3, this is what our house looks like now. So we found that this rim joist, this main support on this wall is pretty rotten. It's going to need something. This is a nice view all the way down to the bottom of the basement. So this is what our kitchen looks like now. There's a couple of those joists that are pretty destroyed. So we're going to have to put some supports to hold that jack up. I think I said that in the last video. Everything over here looks pretty good. Everything connecting to this side of the house is pretty solid. This side of the house is actually pretty solid too until we get to here. There's some damage there. We're going to pull off all that plywood and see what that wall looks like. Then this main beam down here, I just poked a hole in it with metal. So this, unfortunately, is pretty rotten, and it's what's supporting this whole wall. So we got to figure out how to support this wall. But we'll figure it out. This is day 3, so we got it all ripped out.